Imagine a machine that isn't just built to travel, it's built to command the horizon. This is the Titan Odyssey GrandCruiser, a palace of steel and light, a futuristic motorhome that redefines what it means to move. Sharp, aerodynamic, headlights that don't just shine, they slice through the dark. A metallic gray body with electric blue veins running across its frame, glowing like the heartbeat of tomorrow's machine. From the side, its walls expand into glass rooms, unfolding like a palace on wheels. Every panel reflects the world around it, while hinting at a future yet to arrive. Step closer, the front grille shimmers in chrome, breathing power with every curve. This isn't a motorhome that follows the road, it owns it. A panoramic glass lounge stretches across the first floor. Recliners feel almost alive. A holographic wall where movies, worlds, even galaxies come alive at your command. The dining room? A table that's more than furniture. An AI that listens, responds, and glows with every touch. Smart glass panels shimmer around you, turning every meal into an event. Move forward, and the kitchen of tomorrow awaits. Robotic arms stir, slice, and serve. Counters hum with light. A fridge that doesn't just store food, it predicts what you'll crave next. Climb higher and the master suite welcomes you. A king-sized bed glowing like a jewel. Glass walls opening to the horizon beyond. Mood lighting shifts from warm to cool to electric. The guest suite flexes and folds, with beds reshaping at will. And the bathroom? A spa from the future. Holographic mirrors whispering updates. Neon showers cascading like digital rain. A cinema lounge where screens expand larger than life. Recliners tiered like a stadium. Glowing floors tracing every step. A VR arena with pods that transport you into worlds without limits. Above it all, the rooftop deck, glass rails glowing in the night as the roof slides back to reveal the stars. A lounge suspended between earth and sky. And waiting silently, an AI holographic butler, always present, always ready.
Finally, watch it move. On highways, the Titan Odyssey GrandCruiser isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving city. Neon veins pulse across its body, reflections dance along its curves. Every journey becomes legendary. The Titan Odyssey GrandCruiser, not just the road, it owns the horizon. A masterpiece, a legend, a city of the future, already here. And don't forget to subscribe, because the future is already here.